Artificial intelligence is moving so fast that it almost feels like we're living in a sci-fi movie. Every week, there's some new headline about robots taking jobs, AI writing books, or machines creating art that even professionals can't tell apart from human work. But here's the twist. Most people are only scratching the surface of what AI can actually do. Right now, there are free AI tools so powerful that if you start using them today, they could completely change the way you work, study, create, and even make money online. The crazy part? Almost nobody is talking about them. That's why in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 5 most mind-blowing free AI tools you should be using in 2025. And trust me, number 1 is so unbelievable that once you see it, you'll wonder how it's even legal to use for free. Let's start with a tool that feels almost too smart to be real. Imagine asking Google a question, but instead of wading through 10 blue links, you get an instant, detailed answer, backed up with real sources you can trust. No more fake news, no more wasting hours clicking from page to page. You type a question, and it gives you the answer in seconds, complete with links to the research and articles it pulled from. And here's where it gets wild. You can keep the conversation going. You can ask follow-ups, drill deeper, and it remembers the context like you're talking to a human expert. Need a last-minute summary of a research paper? Done. Want to know the latest medical breakthroughs or the most recent tech news? It pulls information live, not from months ago, but from today. Students are already using it to write essays. Creators are using it to research scripts, and business owners are using it to gather market insights without hiring consultants. It's like having a fact-checking super brain in your pocket, and it's completely free. Now, imagine you've got the research, but you need to make it look good. Here's where the next tool comes in, and it's a name you probably know, but you've never seen it like this. Canva. Except in 2025, Canva has evolved into an AI-powered design beast. You just type what you want, a futuristic business flyer, a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools, a professional resume, and boom, it gives you dozens of polished templates instantly. Hate the colors? The AI fixes them. Need text? The AI writes it for you. Want the style to feel more minimal or more bold? The AI adapts it instantly. What used to take hours of tweaking with Photoshop now takes literally 60 seconds. And here's the kicker. You don't even need the paid version. The free plan already gives you access to AI features that are so good, small businesses are ditching designers. YouTubers are making thumbnails that look pro, and students are handing in projects that look like they hired a creative team. You don't need to be creative anymore, because the AI handles creativity for you. But what about video? Let's be honest, video editing is where most people give up. It's hard, it's expensive, and it takes forever. At least it used to. The next tool has completely rewritten the rules. Imagine filming yourself in your messy bedroom, and with one click, the AI erases your background and drops you into a futuristic skyline or a studio set. No green screen, no expensive camera setup, just magic. Imagine typing the words "a city with flying cars at sunset," and the AI literally generates a video clip of it for you. That's Runway ML. And in 2025, even the free version gives you access to insane features like text-to-video generation, object removal, motion tracking, and even auto-subtitles. Creators are pumping out TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and ads that look like they had a full production team behind them, when in reality, it was just them, their laptop, and this free AI tool. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel or making videos for your business, Runway removes every excuse you ever had. It makes video editing so easy that anyone can look like a professional filmmaker. Now, you probably guessed what comes next, because it's the AI that put this entire movement on the map. ChatGPT. But here's what most people don't realize. In 2025, even the free GPT-4o version is a monster. It doesn't just spit out short answers anymore. It plans, it reasons, it codes, it writes essays, it drafts business plans, and it even helps you think through problems step by step like a mentor. Need to launch a small business, but don't know where to start? It creates a strategy. Need to fix broken code? It explains the bug in plain English and gives you the corrected version. Need a killer YouTube script, like the one you're hearing right now? Done. And here's where it gets even crazier. The free model now understands not just text, but also images and code. That means you can show it a diagram, a screenshot, or a math problem, and it will break it down for you. Imagine having a teacher, a business partner, a developer, and a personal assistant, all in one app, and it's free. Sure, the premium version goes further, but for most people, the free version already feels like cheating at life. And now, the number one free AI tool in 2025. This is the one that makes people's jaws drop, because it feels like you're bending reality. Stable Diffusion. The open-source AI image generator that anyone, anywhere, can use to create unlimited visuals. Want a hyper-realistic photo of a person who doesn't exist? It can do that. Want a fantasy landscape, an anime character, or futuristic concept art for your brand? Just type what you want, and Stable Diffusion makes it appear. And unlike other platforms that hide behind paywalls, Stable Diffusion is free, completely free. The community around it is massive, which means people are constantly building new models, plugins, and user-friendly apps that make it even more powerful. You don't need to know code, you don't need to be an artist, you just type a sentence and you get art. For YouTubers, it means unique thumbnails. For marketers, it means unlimited ad creatives. For everyday people, it means never paying for stock photos again. It's not just a tool, it's a creative revolution. And it's free. So let's recap. In 2025, you don't need to spend money to unlock the future. You've got Perplexity AI as your all-knowing researcher, Canva AI as your personal designer, Runway ML as your Hollywood-level video editor, ChatGPT as your productivity powerhouse, and Stable Diffusion as your art machine. These tools are like superpowers that most people haven't even discovered yet. And the sooner you start using them, the bigger your advantage will be. Here's the truth. AI isn't optional anymore. It's not just some tech fad. It's becoming the backbone of how we work, learn, and create, like electricity or the internet. The people who embrace it now are going to be miles ahead of those who ignore it. And the best part? You don't have to pay anything to get started. These tools are available right now, waiting for you to explore. Now I want to ask you, which of these tools are you going to try first? Are you already using one of them, or do you know another free AI tool that deserves a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I'll be checking. And if this video opened your eyes to what's possible with free AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing AI updates, and share this with someone who still thinks AI is just a trend. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead with AI.